and they are saving a whopping 4.2 lakhs.
Long-term sustainability as well.
Greenergy Sustainables is really good.
I would say it would be a role model for these guys as well in the Wakad area.
Hello everyone, this is Ishan Gandhi from Greenergy Sustainables LLP. We are a firm based from 2014 and we have completed 75 plus projects till yet. This is one of our residential projects in which we have installed a 20 kilowatt system in Sai Srishti Society located in the Wakad premises. We have installed 36 monocrystalline panels of RE over here because we had a space constraint. So they come with a 10 years manufacturer's warranty and they have got a performance life of over 25 years. So at the start, if the panels give you 100% efficiency, at the end of 25 years, it will definitely give you about 80 to 85% of its efficiency. Their efficiency is about 19 to 22%. And we can install more capacity in a less space. That's why we have gone for that. The inverter basically does the function of converting the DC power from the solar panels into usable AC. So firstly, the wires which come from the DC side of the panels are integrated into DCDB, which is known as the DC distribution box. From this DCDB, the supply is given to the inverter input. After that, the inverter converts this DC to AC electricity and it is given to the ACDB. From here onwards, the cable goes straight towards our meter and it is connected to the load of the electricity meter. So we have used a Havells inverter over here. We have used this purposely because the OEM warranty is about 10 years. So this is the data logger of the inverter, and from this the signal gets converted to the cloud and we can see the daily generation, monthly generation and also the yearly generation of the plant. It also gives us information about the status, that whether the plant is on or off. So we can see it itself from the device. So for the protection of the entire system and human life, we need the earthings at place. So here we have done 3 earthings. One is for the structure, one is the lightning arrestor, and one is for the AC side. So it